Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for XRP price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Starting on the weekly chart here, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, probably finishing a wave 1 or a wave A. After both case scenario, you would like to see, of course, a corrective wave where we are looking at an A, probably B, and then probably C here as I would say WXY. Your wave Y is, of course, a triangle. So perfect W as a zigzag, perfect zigzag for your X, and a Y finished as triangles, therefore definitely a WXY, finishing wave 2 and or finishing wave B. In both case scenario, you are looking, of course, then for higher prices. This is exactly what we got, but our biggest scenario, of course, is an A B, and a C towards the upside, or 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, meaning what we are looking here right now, we have closed the 1-to-1 fib level on the linear chart. We were very close to it. We did not reach it, preferably that we do. And of course, we are very close to it, meaning you are very close to finish on the linear chart as an ABC zigzag. But on your logarithmic chart, meaning for the future, for several cycles later on, we are looking, of course, for even a much higher prices, and we're looking to repeat exactly the same wave that we got here as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your wave A. We're looking to repeat the same for this wave C. We have already now copy paste our wave 1, yeah, and we're looking, of course, for a 1-to-1 on the logarithmic fib level, meaning 477. I'm not saying this is gonna happen tomorrow or next year or the after one. This needs 4 to 5 years, of course, to happen. This is a perfect time in the blue box that you see exactly in the middle of the 2030, where we might reach for XRP $470. Now, let's go back to the reality. where we are looking, of course, on the daily chart, we are looking here at probably finished impulse toward the upside. Probably. We still have, of course, a scenario for the bullish where you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Of course, this wave 5 doesn't look anyway finished. Yeah, it looks like 3 waves toward the upside. And this, of course, give us the possibility here that we have, of course, for a wave 4 still might be unfolding. After 1, 2, 3, 4, your wave 4 can be, of course, an expanding flat. This expanding flat, A, B, and a C, your wave C has to be impulsive. It has to take the low, which it did, but it has to be in 5 waves down. Now, if we take a look inside this wave 4 on the 4-hour chart, you can see, of course, here that you have, okay, double 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 3, and then very deep wave 4. I know the wave 4 has invalidated here the things on XRP, but it looks like we are moving in an expanding diagonal in this case, because you cannot finish, otherwise you have finished like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as an expanding diagonal, but this expanding diagonal doesn't look zigzag yet. It has to be looking like a zigzag. So meaning we're still looking for one more leg toward the downside. So it is very possible as well that this was your wave 1 of this expanding diagonal, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yeah, so very possible to get such an expanding flat. Very rare case scenario, but here it's working perfectly, I see. And of course, we're still looking at least for one more low, and to finish at least here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I mean, if this is your impulse toward the downside, you have here a very small 1, 2, 3, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yeah, so you still anyway need one more leg in both case scenario. And in this case scenario, if this is your wave 3, then you have double 1, 2s here. Then once you finish this wave 5, you're gonna get 4, 5, and 4, 5. Meaning, again, 0.38 fib level is in the aiming target here, right? And then we still have the chance even to move for higher again. It doesn't mean that the bull run has finished. It can be still 1, 2, 3, 4 as an expanding flat, wave 5 towards the upside. We did not invalidate the bullish scenario, or invalidation is so far for this. Yep. So bearish scenario, your bearish scenario is that you have finished 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 somehow, okay, and then you're looking for a wave 2. Very, very low possibility, of course, right now. In 3 waves towards the downside between those fib levels. Let's break this level first for a wave 4, 5, and then we take a look, of course, for a wave 2. That was it for XRP. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.